YouTube, it's your boy Keon, and I'm coming through with another video. In this video, I will be reviewing the wind booster, which is a throttle control device, and I will be trying it on my car and giving my honest opinion. All right, let's get to the video. Keon, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so unboxing the wind booster.
This device is used to enhance throttle response for quicker acceleration and performance, as well as to decrease throttle response.
There's a note here. Win a prize, enter to win. Prize points. Go to the side. Then here you have your digital gauge. Comes with a double-sided tape on the back.
The purpose for this is to stick it anywhere on the dashboard.
Styrofoam. Zip tie. And then the actual module that connects to your throttle, iPhone jack, lightning cable.
Huh? Actually, this wasn't a lightning cable. It was actually the connect to the, the display. I said lightning cable.
Another zip tie. And your instructions, of course. So as you can see, the throttle pedal, and you just follow that up. You see that little plug right there. You just lift this tag up, then pop it up, and then you take this part and plug that. All right, and then you take the original connector and plug that to the module. All right, as you can see, I got everything connected. I'll just take this. Connected. I'll just take this wire and connect that. To here. All right, let's turn this on. It's hot out here in Atlanta today. All right, so as you see, it start off in normal mode.
I think we need to find a new.
We'll listen to a podcast before. But it starts off in normal mode. And this is how you change the modes. And this is how you fine tune it. This button right here, this S button. So in normal mode, you can change it to sport. It does have 9 modes, and then you can toggle through 10 different, you see as it changes right now, it's fine tuning. So you got sport 9. So you got 10 different fine tune modes in between each mode. So sport 0, 1, 2, all the way to 9. Then you have Sport Plus, race, drag. You have intelligent auto. It picks up on your driving habit and adjusts on its own. And then valet mode. anti-slip, economy, and then back to normal. All right, I'm gonna start off in normal mode. Enhancement, but not the full thing. And also I'm in, my mode. The car's mode is in my mode. Well, sport. We're pretty much a sport mode. So it does feel pretty normal. Tell a difference, but let's try to put it in sport. I'm gonna put it in sport and then fine tune it to 5, level 5.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'll take it to 10. Take it to 9. Not 10. Sport plus, and then level 5. Yeah, you can definitely feel the difference. Race mode all the way up, level 9. Come to a dead stop. to get going. Like it'll still go, but you really gotta. Says anti-slip. Put anti-slip all the way up. Turn off traction control. Yep. Yeah. With anti-slip, it's like a gradual build. It ain't. It's not gonna slide in this mode. Yeah, I floated around the corner there. Yeah, it works. Alright, Econ. This is Econ level 9. I'm just trying in the highest level of each mode. Econ feels like kind of like normalized. I forgot to mention this is the GT model of the wind booster. So I think this is like the top of the line version. Yeah, look at that lag. That's crazy. I'll put it all the way down. Wow. Alright. I'm gonna go back to race level 9. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you want your wind booster today, make sure you click the link below and use my promo code in the description to get 50% off your purchase. The model that was reviewed today was the GT model, which comes with the display, and also you can also download the wind booster app to connect to it through Bluetooth.
Overall, I think this was a good product. You really feel the difference in the sportier modes with the tune turned all the way up, and also in valet mode.
Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more car content, and I'll see you in the next one.